where they stored it, what they were doing with it, the research that CBR is contributing to. You know, there's a lot of unknowns, so this seems like the best company for us, and this seems the best time to do it.
It wasn't actually external research. It came down to CBR and how CBR stood out from the rest of the pack.
My OB handed me the CBR packet and suggested that I bank there. She gave me a lot of information on it and told me about the collection process, and it made my decision a lot easier.
And CBR was the first one mentioned by both doctors, the pediatrician and the OBGYN doctor.
You get a box in the mail and you put it in your bag when you go to the hospital. It was as simple as that.
But here's the kicker. I said, well, if I haven't decided and baby comes early, what do we do? And they go, well, we have kits at the hospital. I said, which provider? They said, we only carry CBR.
The list of clinical trials was huge.
How much more are they going to push the limits and see if it works or not?
And that just gave me the first glimpse into, is this a company that I want to have a relationship with for the long term? And every single interaction I've had since then has been reinforcing that.